let's talk about what just happened in the AI world, because it's wild. Imagine walking through a city and seeing a humanoid robot in a cop vest, casually scanning crowds, listening to voice commands, and even doing a front flip to go viral on social media. That's not a sci-fi movie. That's Shenzhen, China, right now. Engine AI's PM01 just became the country's first robot cop partner. This little guy is 4.5 feet tall, weighs about 88 pounds, and has a 320-degree waist rotation so it can literally scan a crowd without even moving its feet. Under the hood, industrial-grade tech that can spot faces, license plates, and respond to Mandarin and Cantonese. It's priced around $12,000, which is cheaper than some high-end smartphones. And no, it doesn't need a coffee break. At that price point, cities could literally roll out full robot squads without blowing the budget. And yes, it's already helping lost kids and reporting shady stuff in real time. This isn't just about cool tech. It's about redefining how public safety operates. Now picture this. You're at Auto Shanghai 2025, and instead of car models, you're staring at XPeng's humanoid robot, Iron, a sleek android that moves so naturally, you'd swear it had bones and tendons. It's 5 feet 8 inches, weighs 154 pounds, and can thread a needle or swipe a touchscreen like a real person, thanks to 60 joints and hands with 22 degrees of freedom. And here's the mind-blowing part. It runs on the same AI that powers XPeng's self-driving cars. That's right. Your future personal robot assistant and your electric sedan might share the same brain. That's XPeng's vision. One single AI framework running across EVs, humanoids, and even flying taxis. And during the demo, Iron fist-bumped people, chatted in fluent Mandarin, and handled fragile porcelain cups without flinching. That's a huge leap for human-robot interaction. It's not just tech anymore. It's personality. But while the hardware grabs attention, the real AI magic is happening behind the scenes. Abacus AI just rolled out a pro tier for its deep agent that basically gives you a one-person software engineering team for $10. Say you want to pull sales data, build a dashboard, launch a website, and alert finance if revenue drops. Just type it out in plain English, and this AI does the rest. Spins up databases, scrapes files, creates dashboards, and even wires everything into Slack, all before your coffee gets cold. It's like telling Jarvis what you want and having it show up, live, polished, and working. And because it's stacked on browser, Gmail, Jira, and Docs integrations, you can literally automate an entire business process with one prompt. What used to take an entire dev team for a weekend now happens while you're watching Netflix. And just when you think that's the peak, Elon Musk drops a fresh video of Tesla's Optimus walking like a human. Like, for real this time, not that clunky robot walk from sci-fi movies. Tesla's building them at Gigafactory, Texas, and Musk says they'll have 10,000 units ready by the end of next year. These bots use Tesla's EV DNA, same batteries, same motors, even the same self-driving computer. The plan? Mass-produce androids just like electric cars. And Elon's long-term vision is bold. He sees a world where humanoid robots outnumber humans, maybe even 10 to 1. Think about it. A robot assistant in every home, every business, every street corner. Meanwhile, Chinese automaker Chery is putting its own spin on things. In their Malaysian showrooms, they've deployed AI-powered sales bots called Amoga. These things look human, like creepily human, with silicone skin and flowing blonde hair. But what makes them impressive is how they move. With 41 degrees of freedom, they gesture naturally, avoid obstacles with centimeter-level precision, and speak 10 languages. They're not just standing around. They're giving car demos, chatting with customers, and doing it all without sounding like pushy salespeople. It's customer service meets sci-fi. And let's not forget the construction industry. In the US, we're short nearly 500,000 skilled construction workers, and last year saw over 1,000 fatalities in that space, the highest of any sector. Enter Zyrex, a massive 20-foot-tall robot being developed in California by Robotics. This machine can weld, do carpentry, and 3D print with concrete. It's basically a construction crew in one towering, AI-powered package. It uses advanced vision language models and LiDAR to follow blueprints and avoid mistakes, keeping humans out of harm's way. Pricing is set to be under $1 million to buy or about $20,000 a month to lease. That's about the cost of a small team, but without the safety risks. Now let's zoom in on the software powering all this hardware. Meta just launched its standalone Meta AI app, built on Llama 4. It's like ChatGPT, but on steroids. You open it up, and it's part AI assistant, part discovery feed, where you can see what others are doing and remix their prompts. Turn on voice mode, and it starts talking and listening at the same time, like a real phone call, not the old stop-and-go AI chats. It syncs across Ray-Ban smart glasses, your phone, and your desktop, so your questions can follow you from your walk to your workbench. There's even a built-in doc editor that can spit out image-rich PDFs or break down uploaded files with context. And yeah, it remembers your preferences, like if you're obsessed with Japanese city pop or crypto trends. It's like having an AI assistant who actually gets you. Finally, let's talk about what could be the biggest play in AI hardware yet. Word out of Shenzhen is that Huawei's next-gen AI accelerator, the Ascend 910D, is already in lab testing. This chip could go toe-to-toe with NVIDIA's H100, the holy grail of training large language models. Right now, NVIDIA dominates because its H100S can pump out 4.9 terabytes per second and nearly a petaflop of FP16 compute. But Huawei's catching up fast. Their current 910C chips already hit 800 INT8 petaflops, and the upcoming 910D might match or beat NVIDIA in raw AI training performance. If that happens, it could shake up the whole cloud computing industry, especially with US-China chip tensions heating up. It's more than a specs war. It's a global power play in who controls the future of AI infrastructure. So yeah, from robots on the streets to AI building your next startup overnight, the landscape is changing fast. If you're not watching closely, you're already behind. But if you are, then you're exactly where you need to be.